All right, hey guys, hope you're doing well. I just want to walk you through the packet really quickly. This is now like the fifth time I've made this video, so hopefully you know how to get to Google Classroom and you can get to our class. And here I posted about your assignments that are due. You can read this. I'm not going to read that to you. I can see some questions you're asking here, so thank you for asking those questions. I'll try and answer those. The first thing that you should do is open up the packet. There's some brief instructions. I do want to point out that I'm doing a Facebook Live on Monday, March 23rd at 1:30. You should try your hardest to be there so that I can answer any questions that you might have, because at this point it's hard for me to answer questions just through messaging. It'd be better if we could have a few sessions where we're live. Make sure you're checking back to Classroom often. Now the important part is these assignments here, they're in order 1 through 8. The first one right there, it tells you to read this article, How Coronavirus Hijacks Your Cells. You can see it's the first thing that pops up. So it's all right in order. Number 2 says complete the Chapter 6 Part 1 study guide. That'll be the next thing that pops up right here. So it's all in order. So if you go right through it, you can do this in probably, an hour or so. And this is all the Chapter 8 and 9 material that I'm giving you. This next thing, 3 and 4, says read through the Chapter 8 and 9 PowerPoint and fill out the Chapter 8 and 9 notes outline. If you want to hold off on that, you're more than welcome to, because I'm going to make a video similar to this of me walking you through these notes, okay? And then you could stop me and start me at whatever points you'd like. So say you want me to stop at a certain point so you can write something down, you could just pause me and that'll be really helpful. Some questions I need to answer. Is there a due date? There is not a firm due date, but that does not mean things are not due. I would focus on having this done on March 27th. That's 10 days to do these 8 assignments that I think you can do in 1 hour, okay? Make sure you're keeping up with that. How do you do these assignments? The thing that I would do is immediately open this and print it. If you have a printer at home, I would print it. And I know it's 31 pages, but it's what we have to do. If you have a parent who has a printer at work, have them do that. If you don't have that option, if that's just not an option, then you can go through here and you can do these on a separate sheet of paper. And then finally, if you do not have access to internet, which if you're listening to this, I'm assuming that you do, you can go to school and you can pick up one of these packets. There are a limited number of packets at school for you all to pick up, but I think I have 10 and there are 15 of us in class. So if some of us could print this off, that would be very helpful, because I don't have enough for everyone. The idea is that you are able to stay home and not get anyone else sick if you are sick, and so on and so forth. If you have any questions, please do ask. I will be posting updates pretty often, maybe 2 or 3 times a week. And if you have any other questions, yeah, just please ask. All right. Hope you guys have a fun time. Make sure you're washing your hands.